Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nener Fazakula and I will tell you about my resume. So my resume is about development of atomic theory. The first one is early ideas of the atom. Ancient Greece in 5th century BCE proposed that matter is composed of indivisible particles called atomos, meaning uncut or indivisible. Introduced the idea that atoms are eternal and unchangeable, differing in size, shape, and arrangement, but fundamentally indestructible. The second, The Alchemist and Early Chemical Experiments by Robert Boyle, known for Boyle's Law. First, to define an element as a substance that can be further broken down, indirectly supporting the idea of fundamental building blocks of matter. The third, John Dalton's atomic theory. John Dalton proposed the first scientific atomic theory based on experimental data. The key postulates is all matter is made up of tiny, indivisible particles called atoms. Atoms of a given element are identical in mass and properties. The chemical reactions involve the rearrangement of atoms, but atoms themselves are neither created nor destroyed. Compounds are formed by the combination or different atoms in simple whole number ratios. The fourth, discovery of subatomic particles by J.J. Thomson, discovered the electron in 1897 through cathode ray tube experiments. Proposed the plum padding model, suggesting that atoms are made of a positively charged pudding with negatively charged electrons embedded in it like plums. The fifth, Rutherford's nuclear model by Ernest Rutherford, conducted the Goldford experiment, discovering that atoms have a small, dense, positively charged nucleus. Proposed that the atom consists of a tiny, dense nucleus surrounded by electrons, refuting Thomson's plum pudding model. The sixth, Bohr's quantum model by Niels Bohr, developed a model of the atom in which electrons orbit the nucleus in fixed energy levels or shells. Incorporated quantum mechanics, explaining the stability of the electron's orbit and the motion of light at specific wavelengths. The seven, The Quantum Mechanical Model by Erwin Schrödinger and Werner Heisenberg and others, introduced the modern quantum mechanical model, which describes the electron as a probability cloud rather than a fixed orbit. Schrödinger's equation and Heisenberg's uncertainty principle led to the understanding that the exact position and momentum of an electron cannot be simultaneously known. The last is modern atomic theory. The current atomic model integrates quantum mechanics and relativity, with an atom being a nucleus made of protons and neutrons surrounded by a cloud of electrons. Atoms are understood to be composed and subatomic particles, with the discovery of the quarks that make up protons and neutrons in the 20th century, and the exploration of the atom's inner structure continuing with particle physics. Okay, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.